We've been talking about transport, and I'd like to discuss with you now one or two more general questions related to this. Let's consider first of all types of transport. Tell me, which are the most popular forms of transport in your country?
The cars. Almost everyone in my country uses the car to transport from a place to another.
Why is that?
Because public transports are bad in my country, and it's because the petrol is cheap.
Right.
If you want to refill the car, it's cheaper. Actually, it's cheaper than water.
Mm-hmm. Mm. So is this a good thing that there are so many cars in your country?
Actually, it's a bad thing because there's always traffic jams in my country. But the government is trying to develop the public transport, but people always refuse.
Right.
People always refuse. They like sticking with cars.
Okay. Do people ever walk?
No.
Why not?
It's too hot to walk in my country. It's not too hot, but there are no places to walk in. In the street, we don't have the walking lane.
You don't have pavements?
Yes, and also between two signals, light signal, we don't have it like here in England to press and pass.
Mm. Okay. How do people travel long distances in your country?
By a car.
Sorry, by car.
By a car also, because my country is too small, and we only have two airports, and they're next to each other. And it'll only take you 2 hours to go from the east to the west, and 2 hours and a half to go from the south to the north.
What are the advantages and disadvantages of using public transport?
But the advantages, it makes the car, it reduces the air pollution first because less cars are being used, and this is, I think, the only advantage of using public transport, but the disadvantage is you mingle with a lot of people and you have to wait, and if there's traffic you would be late, and this is the disadvantage.
All right. Let's go on now to talk about changes in transport. How has transport changed over the last few decades, would you say?
More cars are being used. That's how it changed. It's more and more cars. If you take a look at the country, you'll see that each house got more than 5 cars. Mm-hmm. And this is not normal because in the street, you have over, let's say, maybe 5,000 cars driving in the highway, and it's really not normal.
Yeah. Have people started to use electric cars now?
No, not yet.
Why not?
They don't need them. But no one wanted to use them because...
But they're more environmentally friendly.
Yes, but I don't know why. But people prefer normal cars.
All right. Do you think there are any negative effects of cheap air travel?
Cheap air travel? No, nothing at all. I find it perfect. Mm-hmm. And I find
so what are the advantages?
Less air. No, it's the same. The advantages is you can go to another place in a cheap price better than, for example, let's say if the distance was 2 hours, I think it's better if it's cheap because it's not that long distance.
Yeah. And is there a lot of cheap air travel in Kuwait?
To the Gulf region, yes. If, for example, if you want to go to close by countries, for let's say Emirates or Qatar, it's really cheap. But let's say if you want to go to further, more far, it would be expensive.
All right. Do you think that people will be using different types of transport in the future?
No. Yes, of course, but they will still be using cars, but different cars. I think more environmentally friendly cars. Right. Let's say electronic cars.
All right, Farag, thank you very much.
You're more than welcome.
That's the end of the speaking test.
All right, thank you.